So with the G driver, we were really looking to make everything we could on the driver a little bit better. The first feature really to see is very noticeable is the Vortec, which is another aerodynamic feature. It adds on to the turbulators we had on the G30 and had a lot of success with, both aimed at helping a player swing faster. And so the Vortec works kind of like the flaps on the back of an 18-wheeler, helps basically cut out some of the turbulent wake at the back of the driver, increases club speed by another few tenths of a mile an hour. And all those little tenths of a mile an hour add up. And so again, with the G driver, we're seeing a noticeable increase in swing speed over the G30. So the most noticeable feature, I think, is the Dragonfly technology. We're always looking to try to optimize where we put the weight on a club, try to get the CG as low and far back as we can, try to get the inertia as high as we can. We're trying to make this club easy to get up in the air and super forgiving. Now this Dragonfly, we've been working on the R&D group for 5 years. It takes 8 grams of weight and it allows us to distribute it elsewhere. So these thin sections are down as thin as we've ever been on a driver before, 19 thousandths of an inch, which is 3 pieces of paper thick. And then the ribs are there to keep it strong enough so that overall we save 8 grams. That's 8 more grams we can use to put the CG low and back and increase the inertia. So we have what we call kind of high balance point shaft, or I think counterbalance is probably more intuitive to a golfer, but basically it's a lightweight shaft with more weight at the butt end and less weight down here, which allows us to put more weight in the head and maintain a swing weight, maintain a similar feel. But the more weight we can put in the head, the more energy transfer to the ball. So really helps increase inertia, increase ball speed.